In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Store if it's not opening on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also, check that your date and time settings are correct. If the issue persists, open Settings by searching for it in the Start menu. Once inside, look for Troubleshoot Settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters and try to find the Microsoft Store Troubleshooter. If you don't see it there, go back to Search and type Microsoft Store Troubleshooter. Then open Find and Fix Problems with Microsoft Store Apps. Click Next and let it detect and fix any issues. If that doesn't solve the problem, right-click the Start button, select Run, and type wsreset.exe. Click OK. This will reset the Microsoft Store. Give it a moment and the store should reopen. Still not working? Go back to Settings, then navigate to Apps greater than Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Store. If you don't see it, go to Related Settings greater than System Components. Find Microsoft Store, click the three dots, and open Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Terminate, then restart your PC and try opening the store again. If the issue continues, return to the same menu and click Repair. After it finishes, restart your computer and check again. As a last resort, click Reset. This will completely reset the Microsoft Store and remove its data, so you'll need to sign in again afterward. Restart your PC once more, and the store should be working. That's it. Those are the steps to fix the Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. Hope this helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.